మనం OBYR ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్కి వెళ్ళేసి OBYRకి వెళ్ళేసి ఇక్కడ డౌన్ పేమెంట్ కరెంట్ అసెట్స్లో మనదేంటి కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఏం0 ACOA, రైట్, చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్, రైట్. సో మన ఇది సండ్రీ క్రెడిటర్స్ రికన్సిలేషన్ అకౌంట్, రైట్. ఇది వచ్చి స్పెషల్ జీల్ అకౌంట్ అడ్వాన్సెస్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం. సేమ్ జీల్ అకౌంట్స్ మీరు ఇక్కడ కూడా అసెండ్ చేయాలి Fలో. ఓకే, మనకి దీనికి సంబంధించిన ఎర్రర్ ఎందుకు రాలంటే ఈ సిస్టంలో సరిగా కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేసింది లేదు పోస్టింగ్ కీ లెవెల్లో. ఓకే, సేమ్ జీల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అసెండ్ చేయండి. ఏముంది 2001 1003 ఉందా? ఓకే, లెట్ మీ టేక్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కాపింగ్ ఇట్. Just you have to send the same GL accounts. Rest everything will be good. Uh, Company code AM01, right? ఇది వచ్చేసి స్పెషల్ జీఎల్ అకౌంట్, ఇది స్పెషల్ జీఎల్ అకౌంట్, ఇది వచ్చేసి సండ్రీ క్రెడిటర్స్ అకౌంట్. సేమ్ అకౌంట్స్ అక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసండి. ఎనీహౌ విల్ డిస్కస్ వైల్ డిస్కసింగ్ ఆన్ ది అకౌంట్స్ రిసీబుల్ కూడా సేమ్ అడ్వాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ కూడా. అక్కడ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, వేరే సిస్టమ్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ఇంకా అప్పటివరకు ఇది దీంట్లో కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ సరిగా లేకపోతే. ఇది వచ్చేసి సండ్రీ క్రెడిటర్స్ 2001. క్లిక్ ఆన్ సేవ్. ఓకే, సో any questions on partial payment, residual payment, noted items or advance payments, guys? If there are no questions, then anyhow while practicing you will get many doubts, just ask me. Okay, the only thing is you have to assign the GL accounts in the two tabs, one in the noted item, one in the advance payments. Coming back to this is a new scenario, terms of payment and cash discount. Just assume that you are purchasing materials or you are taking services from suppliers. Okay, so supplier said that if you are like making payment in 10 days, I'll give 10% discount. If you are making payment in 20 days, I'll give 5% discount. These discount terms are there here, right? It's a condition between your company and the supplier, where you are receiving discounts from the suppliers. So now you should tell me, now discount is the loss or profit for us? Loss. You are receiving, sir, we are purchasing materials from suppliers, you are getting discount from suppliers. Instead of paying 100 rupees, if the supplier is giving 10% discount, you are paying only 90 rupees. What about 10 rupees, sir? It's a loss or again? Okay, you are getting discount. Yep. Okay, so it is cash discount received, we are receiving discount from the suppliers. Okay, so what we should do, go back to the one, what do you say, OBB8 is the transaction code where we define conditions, new entries. Now payment terms here, so AM, Amazon, this is our vendor payment terms. Okay, AMVP. So here you can mention um, AM01 payment terms with 10% cash discount. Okay, now here percentage, number of days. If at all if I am paying amount within 5 days, I'm getting 10% discount. Okay, now here the most important thing is default for baseline date. So the due date calculation. So ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు నేను పర్చేజ్ చేశాను, సో ఎన్ని డేస్ తర్వాత డ్యూ అవుతుంది? ఇప్పుడు 5 days తర్వాత డ్యూ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో బట్ అది ఆ 5 days తర్వాత డ్యూ అనేది ఏ డేట్ తీసుకొని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి సిస్టమ్? మనం డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ ఇస్తున్నాం, పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ ఇస్తున్నాం, రైట్? సిస్టమ్ విచ్ డేట్ షుడ్ కన్సిడర్ ఫర్ డ్యూ డేట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్? Okay, now I will give document. This is universal definition for the baseline date. We'll give always document date. Document date is the baseline date for due date calculation. So number of days 5 days, 10 days. So 5 days తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఈరోజు నేను 24/6 24 ప్లస్ 5 29. సో మై 29 తర్వాత డ్యూ డేట్ అవుతుంది, రైట్? మై డ్యూ డేట్ ఇస్ 29. So if I make payment in within 5 days, I'm getting 10% discount. Click on save. Okay, click on save, continue. Now let us understand while posting the transaction. You'll understand now. Slash O FB60 is your vendor invoice. So this is not our company code. Company code is AM01. Supplier, select your supplier, your relevant Amazon supplier. Blue Dot Services, invoice date. I'm giving today's date. Okay, reference. This is discount scenario. Okay, here amount I'm giving as 1000. So here, what is your expenses account here? Purchases, I think, if I'm not wrong. Press enter. Purchases, 1000 rupees. So double click here. So INR, press enter. So I'm expecting here a cost center. It's a vendor invoice. Come back. Now go to the payment app. System, we need to provide we need to provide the details to the system saying that this invoice belongs to so and so payment term. So what is the payment terms we define? AM vendor P, right? Is that the same thing? Yep, AMVP, vendor payments. Okay, vendor payment, this is correct. Press enter. When you press enter, system automatically gives the details. So system is giving some message here. Cash discount may only be granted up to 0.00%. So some configuration is missing somewhere else. Okay, 0%. Click on view details. Click on customizing. So it's already open in the background. Go to the your company code. What is our company code? AM01. So this is our AM01 company code. So here, cash discount per line item. So this is blank, that's the reason. But in the payment terms, we have maintained as 10%. So it is blank completely. So here what I'll do, I'll make it as maximum percentage, maximum discount per line item, I'll give as 20%. So now you can, in the configuration settings, anywhere in the payment terms or any other calculations, you can maintain as up to 20 only. If you are maintaining more than that, but system considers only up to 20% while posting the transactions. Okay, so one issue has been resolved. Press enter again. So but this is not considering. Let us close this transaction, post once again. Why this is showing like this? Accounting. So this user always remember SAP menu will have all the respective modules here. Financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, FB60, supplier, invoice date, today's date. I'm just giving, I'm trying to test a discount scenario. 1000 rupees here. So 3001. Here also 1000. If you just scroll to right side, system gives cost center here. Press enter. Currency. Press enter. Okay. Now I'm asking one question to you all guys. So I'm just giving cost center, but what about business area and profit? It's speaking from where? I'm just giving cost center, but what about this business area details and profit center details? From where you are getting these details? Hello, anyone? Answer. Business area, controlling area details, sir. No. Slash O KS03. This is not our controlling area. Extras, set controlling area. AMCA is our controlling area. Give the cost center, press enter. See here, business area and profit center. Whenever I enter cost center, system automatically get values business area, profit center from cost center. Got the answer? System is getting details from cost center automatically because business area, profit center is already linked to the cost center. That's the reason whenever I post a transaction, whenever I give cost center, system automatically updates business area and profit center by default because we maintain the details in cost center master data. Okay, just giving the description. So go back to the payment details, give your payment terms. So press enter again. So that issue, that earlier issue, cash discount up to 0%, that has been resolved because we have changed from 0 to 20%. So this is 10% only. Okay. So baseline date. Now you can check here. We are posting with the date 24. Document date. Document is nothing but 24 invoice date as per your payment term configuration. As per your payment term configuration, baseline date is document date. System will consider document date as due date calculation. Baseline date for due date calculation. So due date. So document date. Here you can see here. So invoice date is document date. So this document date will be calculated for due date calculation. 24/6/2025. Go to the payment tab. See here 24/6/2025 baseline date for due date calculation. Now 24 plus 5 how much? Yeah, that's the reason 29. Due on 29. So this invoice is due on 29. Got the calculation now? Okay, baseline due date calculation is document date. That's the reason it has been updated here 24/6/2025. From here plus 5, 29. Any doubts on this calculation, guys? It's very pretty straightforward. Is it clear? Okay, click on document, simulate. But why the team is very silent today? Post, document, display. So we posted one purchase entry. Now go back to the report once. /o FBL 1N all items. Anyhow, we have only one supplier, just execute it. So this is our 1000 rupees is invoice amount. Now you can look at here. Okay, let me get it from the layout. These are the layouts. Okay, change layout. I'll get one field to the report. Net due date. Okay, this one I'll drag it here. Net due date. Click on continue. See here 29, 24, 29. So that's the reason it is not showing not due because since we have 5 more days here. After 5 days, this will become in red color, completely red color. This becomes a due after 5 days. 1000 rupees is our invoice. So you have some more fields. You can get it the days, areas of days or something. Many are there. You have to explore, sir. Okay. Just try to get these fields. We'll see. Continue. Many are there. You can try. See, 5 days. Any question? Understanding the report? So I have posted the document with document date 24/6. My as per the payment terms, document date is considered for baseline date calculation, and the payment terms for I mean we had given as 5 days as discount calculation. Okay, 5 days. So system will consider due date after these 5 days. Okay, see here payment terms with the 10% cash discount. That's the reason plus 5 is equal to 29th June. So if I make payment within 5 days, I'm getting 10% discount. If I make payment after 29th, no, system will not consider till 28th. So what we'll do, we'll make payment 1000. Here itself, outgoing payment, post, I'll consider today's date only, I'll make the payment today only. I'll get some discount, right? But here there is one condition here. Payment, so account, I want to make payment from this account. Amount, now you tell me now how much payment that we need to make payment to the vendor. 1000 rupees is your invoice, 10% discount. How much payment that I need to make payment? 900. So make enter 900 rupees. Text payment, vendor payment it is. To which vendor you are making payment? You have to select your vendor item, vendor account. So Bluebird services. Click on process open items. But before that, enter the INR here. Click on process open items. See here, system automatically calculated 10 cash discount percent rate. Cash discount percent rate. 10%. On 1000 rupees, 10% discount is 100. The remaining balance we need to pay 900 only. That's the reason system is showing assign 900 to the vendor. We entered 900. This is our entered amount. This is our vendor assigned amount for the payment. So document, simulate. So system is giving some error here. Account determination not defined for transaction SKE in chart of accounts ACOA. So you are getting discount here, right? So we need some discount account or not. Correct? Go back to the view details. SKE. What is SKE? We'll see. Click on proceed. Amazon chart of accounts. You can see the transaction code here. OBXU. Click on accounts, but system will ask you to save the rules first. Click on save. Now you have to select what is this GL account? Cash discount received. SKE is cash discount received. So we are getting discount from the suppliers. It's a discount received. It's a income for us. So have we created the discount account? No. FS00. So this is our company code. Till now we have not created any income here. So let us create one income account. Discount received. Okay, so what is my income range? 4000 to 4999. Let me create with 4000. Click on continue. So it's up to you. It's if the business decides this is a non-operating income, just select non-operating income. Or if you think this has to be updated, this has to be tracked under controlling, then it should be revenue, primary cost or revenue. It's up to you. So this one I want to treat this income as a non-operating income, and this one as income range. For this is discount received. Control C. I'm just copying the description. Short key. So I'll give as 12. Vendor number, because since we are getting discount from the vendor, so that's the reason I maintained as short key as vendor. Field status group. You can give normal G001, which is general, the general field status group. Click on type description. Click on save. So this is it's a business decision. It's client decision what they want to. Either they can create a non-operating income or they can create operating income. Okay, it's up to them. But if you're creating operating income, then system will expect under control data you have to select primary cost category, similar to your expenses. But the only difference will be here for expenses we entered as 1 as a primary cost, but since this is received, right, it's income, right, so we'll select revenues 11. Okay, it's a client decision, business decision, it's a business requirement. Any questions on the GL master for the discount received? If no, then I'll go ahead and assign the GL account. GL account is 4,000. Let us assign to the cash discount received SKE transaction 4,000. Press enter. Okay. Why it's not coming? Okay, let me select it from here. Not sure if this has been updated. 4,000. Yeah, discount received 4,000. Click on save. Click on continue. Come back. This also you can close. So click on document again. Click on simulate. Press enter again. We'll see if it is not working. We'll refresh the transaction. No, it is working. So we are receiving discount from supplier as 100 rupees and invoice 1,000 rupees. We are making payment of 900 because the 100 rupees is discount. So basically your invoice is getting cleared with 1,000. Okay, with the discount 100. Paying by cash 900. Any doubts here, guys? Is that clear? Understanding the payment terms, understanding the due date, understanding your discount. I hope this is clear. Click on post document display. This is all about the discount calculation. That's what we want to go back to the Blue Dart Services report. Click on back, execute the report. We'll see if 1,000 rupees has cleared it out. Yeah, 1,000 has been cleared. These are the entries 24/6, two entries, invoice and payment. But payment, we made payment of 900 rupees only. Good question. What is our accounting entry, sir? So do you think that 100 rupees or 900 rupees will come into vendor line item report? Vendor report? So this is accounting entry. If you go back to the discount GL account report, you can see the 100 rupees. If you go back to the cash GL account report, you can see the 900 rupees as a payment. 1,000 లేదు ఇక్కడ చూడు మనము ఇన్వాయిస్ ఎంత చేసాం 1,000 ఈవెన్ పేమెంట్ కూడా 1,000 తో క్లియర్ చేస్తున్నాను ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ క్లియరింగ్ ద 1,000 ఐఎమ్ క్లియరింగ్ 1,000 అగైన్ even during payment also, but at the same time I'm saying that I'm getting 100% discount from the supplier. I'm making payment of 900 only. Invoice is 1,000 but I'm getting discount of 100. I'm clearing the same 1,000 rupees while making payment. Not happy? Yeah, so I understood your concern. మీ కన్సర్న్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ నాకు తెలియట్లేదు సార్ అని అంటున్నాం. వెండర్ అసలు 100 రూపీస్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చింది, అలా అలా కావాలనుకుంటే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇక్కడ మన రిపోర్ట్లో ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటావు. ఓకే, డిస్కౌంట్స్ ఏమైనా అప్డేట్ అయినాయా లేదా అనేది. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూడు, ఏరియర్స్ అని, తర్వాత డిస్కౌంట్ అని, ఇక్కడ డిస్కౌంట్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్ లోకల్ కరెన్సీ అని. ఓకే, విల్ సీ. Let us check these amounts. Yep, KR 100 rupees సరిపోయిందా? -100. సరే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ ద రిపోర్ట్. ఓకే, రిపోర్ట్లో చాలా ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి. బట్ but your invoice is 1000 and your payment also 1000, but you are getting 100 rupees as a discount. By seeing this, you should understand. Minus 100, minus 100. ఇంకా ఫీల్డ్స్ చూడండి దీంట్లో. Now you are happy, I think, right, with the report. Okay, this is all about discount calculation and the payment terms. I hope no question. ఎస్ ఎస్ ఇప్పుడు ఒక్క నిమిషం 25 పోస్టింగ్కి ఏంటి చూద్దాం ఫస్ట్. సో డెబిట్ అయింది, ఇనిషియల్ ఇన్వాయిస్ టైంలో క్రెడిట్ అయ్యిండు వెండారు, ఇప్పుడు డెబిట్ అయ్యిండు. మరి డెబిట్ పోస్టింగ్కి 25 ఏంటో చూద్దాం. హ్యాపీ పోస్టింగ్కి 25, వి అంటే అకౌంట్ టైప్ వెండర్, డి అంటే డెబిట్లో అయిండు. ఓకే, అవుట్ గోయింగ్ పేమెంట్. మేక్ సెన్స్? At the same time, this is a credit entry, GL account credit, ఇది కూడా credit GL. I mean, both are on the credit side. 50-50 GL account ఇది. 50 అనేది credit posting కి కదా, right? Debit entry, credit entry. DC, G అంటే GL account, debit credit. Is clear? అర్థం కాలేదు క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కాలేదు సార్. అవును. మ్, వాళ్ళ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఎందుకు అలా చేస్తున్నారు? మనకేమవుతారు? మన 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 బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్లో వాళ్ళని ఏమని రాసుకుంటాం? వైస్ వర్స్, ఐ అగ్రీ విత్ యూ. మన బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్లో వాళ్ళకి ఏమని పేరు పెడతాం? వాళ్ళని ఏమంటాం వాళ్ళని? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వెండర్స్ అన్నాం కదా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ కస్టమర్, రైట్? డూ అగ్రీ? ఎస్, ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ దట్ వర్డ్. సో కస్టమర్స్కి మనం గూడ్స్ సేల్ చేసినప్పుడు కస్టమర్ మనకి రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఐ వాంట్ సమ్ డిస్కౌంట్ అని. సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ డిస్కౌంట్ టు దెమ్. సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్స్ అ లాస్ ఫర్ అస్. సో రివర్సల్ సినారియోలో డిస్కౌంట్ పేడ్ అవుతుంది, అకౌంట్స్ పేబుల్ సినారియోలో రిసీవ్డ్ అవుతుంది, అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ సినారియోలో పేడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అకౌంట్స్ పేబుల్. సో ఇంకోటి గుర్తుంచుకోండి, అకౌంటింగ్లో వాళ్ళ బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్లో రాయట్లేదు, మనం మన బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్లో రాసుకుంటున్నాం. అమెజాన్ కంపెనీ నాది, నా కంపెనీకి సప్లయర్స్ ఉంటారు, కస్టమర్స్ ఉంటారు, ఎంప్లాయీస్ కూడా ఉంటారు. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ అకౌంట్స్ ఇన్ మై బుక్స్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్, నాట్ అవతలాడు వ్యక్తులు. అప్పుడు మీరు అన్నారు చూసారా, వాళ్ళకి మనం వెండర్స్ అవుతున్నాం. డోంట్ థింక్ లైక్ దట్, రైట్ అపోజిట్ అవుతుంది. ఐ హోప్ క్లియర్. బట్ గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. Accounting is tricky, right? So purchase returns. This is again very simple, pretty straightforward scenario. Okay. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మీరు వెళ్ళి పర్చేస్ మెటీరియల్స్ కొనుక్కొని ఒక స్టేషనరీ షాప్కి వెళ్ళేసి పర్చేజ్ సంథింగ్, రైట్? అండ్ యూ వాంట్ టు రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ టు ది షాప్ అగైన్. సో క్రెడిట్ మెమో అంటుంది ఇంట్లో, వెండర్ క్రెడిట్ మెమో. Okay, so we'll see how it works in SAP system. It's a pretty straightforward scenario. SAP has given, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడే ఉంది. ఎబి 60కి వెళ్ళేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ కూడా ఉంది, 65 క్రెడిట్ మెమో, ఆర్ SAP has provide separate transaction కూడా ఉంది, called as ఎబి 65 క్రెడిట్ మెమో 65. Same, by default it will take you to the credit memo, that's it. Same transaction, no difference. The only thing is you are going to return the entries, I mean return back the materials or services ellago cheyalam, but at least you can return back the you can raise the credit memo. So what I'll do, I'll raise one AB60. So do we have any operatives here? No, right? So let me create one vendor invoice first, then we'll raise a credit memo. So supplier, so what else? I'm just ఇక్కడ credit memo రాస్తున్నా. Scenario is credit memo, right? Understanding credit memo scenario. This one I'll give this one as 24 and the amount some 1000 again. GL account 3001 1000. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి So cost center. Why I'm giving cost center here? Can anyone tell me why I'm giving cost center for this GL account? What is the reason? Why I'm giving, guys? Press enter. Currency. Press enter again. So system is expecting cost account assignment for this 3000 GL account because we created as a primary cost element. If you are creating as a primary cost element, system will expect one controlling account assignment. Controlling account assignment. So that's the reason I'm entering cost center here. So you should tell the system the expenses are booked against which department. Cost center is a department. Expenses are booked against which department? This department. We treat it as administration department. So you're incurring expenses against administration department. Okay. Press enter. So you can also mention some vendor invoice here. Payment. So here 0001 which is pay immediately due net. Okay. Immediately payment. See due immediately. Click on basic data. So this is fine. Click on simulate. Click on save 1000 rupees. Go back to the report. Click on execute. 1000. Okay. Now just assume that you're not liking the services or you're not liking the materials. So you return back the materials back. I mean whatever you have purchased, you are returning it back to the vendor. So in such case, what you will do? So we have one SAP has provided one transaction here. 65 create memo. So system. So see okay, you want me to enter 500 as return, but you have utilized some materials, right? So 3001 500. Okay. So the same one. So you can give the same details because we entering the credit memo here. Credit memo. Anything else you want to enter? Payment details. Use the same details again. Press enter. Press enter. So this is fine. Click on simulate. Click on save. This will not get posted, I think. Now it got posted. I thought uh, I thought the document type number range does not exist, but it already exists. KG credit memo. Okay, credit memo. So KG credit memo belongs to /o OBS7. Let us check the number range position. KG document type which is cus vendor credit memo. Double click on it. 17 number range. Go to the number range information. Go back to our company code. Click on interval. 17 is already exists. That's the reason system did not ask me number range. I think we created it. Maybe during down payments configuration we have defined it process. So document. Now if you go back to there is no link, sir, there is no link. Go back to the report, come back, execute. Now you can clear while making 500. You can clear the amount while making the payment. Yes, yes. Or else you can do one thing. You can let us try. We'll see how it works. You have to make the payment of 500, right? And you have to clear your 1000 also. We'll see if it is works. Financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry. Outgoing payment is 500. 500. 24/6. Payment account 1000. You have to pay only 500 rupees. So payment again here. account, again the same one, click on currency, click on process open items. So system is giving 500 only, sir. So system basically your 1000 is getting cleared, and the payment so invoice is 1000 rupees, and you have done the credit memo of 500. So the the balance of this vendor supplier has only 500 rupees. So we making payment of 500. Document simulate. So you are clearing the 500. So our report should get cleared. Both 1000, 407, 603 should get clear. Click on execute. Is that clear, sir? Yep, this one. 1500, 500. While posting the transaction, you can enter the description so that you will understand more clearly. Okay, guys, is it fine? This is all about your normal FI, I mean direct FI transaction credit memo. Okay. Now the next topic is extended withholding tax. What is withholding tax here? Any? సో మనమందరం ఎంప్లాయీస్ రైట్, మీరు అందరు ఎంప్లాయీస్. సో కంపెనీ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో కంపెనీ పర్స్పెక్టివ్, మీరు ఎవరికైతే ఏ కంపెనీతో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారో మీరందరూ ఏమవుతారు, కంపెనీకి సప్లయర్స్ అవుతారు, రైట్? సో కంపెనీస్ పర్చేసింగ్ సర్వీసెస్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ, అండ్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ యూఆర్ గెటింగ్ శాలరీ ఫ్రమ్ ది కంపెనీ. మీకు శాలరీ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు టీడీఎస్ కట్ అవుతుందా లేదా మీ శాలరీల నుంచి? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ టీడీఎస్ ఆన్ శాలరీస్, ట్యాక్స్ డిడక్టెడ్ at source. Yes. So there are many in India law, withholding tax TDS is applicable on many different categories. For example, మనకు పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్ ఉంది, బిల్డింగ్ లో రెంట్కి ఇచ్చాం, ఒక సర్టెన్ అమౌంట్ దాటితే డెఫినెట్లీ హ్యావ్ టు పే టీడీఎస్ టు ది గవర్నమెంట్. లేదు, ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సమ్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్ యువర్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్, 10 lakhs 20 lakhs డిపాజిట్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్ చేశారు, దాని మీద మీకు 1% ఆర్ 2% సమ్ టీడీఎస్ పే చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది బ్యాంక్కి, గవర్నమెంట్కి. Okay, not only on the TDS on salaries, and also TDS on interest, TDS on contractors, TDS on professional services. Many are there, many different. Yep. ఎక్కడ పోయింది అది? So professional services, rent, salaries, contractor services, many are there, different categories. Now we are going to calculate, we'll create one vendor as contractor, then we'll calculate the TDS in SAP system. How it will get calculated, we'll see. Make sure that when you calculate vendor invoice, system has to generate TDS also. The TDS is nothing but it's a payable or not? Tell me, TDS payable, right? Exactly. So TDS payable. So we'll see how it will get calculated in SAP system. Okay, but we'll take this class tomorrow. Is that okay? Because I need a little time on this one. This will not be sufficient. But any questions on the previous areas? Anyone? Anything else? Okay, then I will load the video. Then I'll upload it, and tomorrow I will learn this one, withholding tax. After that, we can discuss on accounts receivable. Again, if you understand the accounts payable, it is very easy to understand accounts receivable. The same configuration, same partial payment, residual payment, discount, everything is same, sir. Nothing. The only new topics will be here, interest calculation and also understanding the dunning concept. Okay. So if you understand accounts payable, it will be easy for you to understand accounts receivable. If you understand GL part, at least it is somewhat easy, right? Understanding accounts payable. Okay, then what we'll do?